Your inbox is not just full, it is costing you time, focus, and control. Every hour you spend triaging and drafting is an hour you are not spending on work that actually moves things forward. The right email management platform in 2026 saves you time, reduces repetitive work, and keeps you in control of who does what and when. We reviewed 5 platforms across those exact criteria, and in the next few minutes, you will know exactly which one fits your setup. When it comes to native email automation, fyxer stands out as our top recommendation for professionals who want to optimize their workflow without changing their actual email client. Instead of forcing us to migrate to a completely separate application, this software integrates directly into our existing Gmail or Outlook accounts with a single click. The true strength of the platform lies in its deep contextual learning capabilities. By analyzing our past communication history, the AI learns to write custom-toned email drafts that genuinely sound like us, separating it from generic template generators. It automatically triages our inbound messages into actionable categories like action required and notifications, ensuring the most critical tasks remain at the top of our workspace. Beyond standard email management, the tool balances our wider productivity needs by doubling as an AI meeting assistant. You can also choose if you want to use it quietly in the background through the desktop app. It can join our live video calls on Google Meet or Microsoft Teams to capture transcripts, generate summaries, and assign action items directly to our dashboard. Combined with built-in calendar scheduling links that eliminate back-and-forth coordinator emails, it forms a cohesive hub for solo executives, founders, and consultants. The sheer volume of time saved on daily administrative busywork makes it an incredibly powerful option for reclaiming our workday. For our next option, Fyxer takes a different approach. Fyxer is built specifically for teams already living in Gmail, and its strongest opening move is a free forever plan you can start today without a credit card. Fyxer layers a full shared inbox and collaboration system directly onto Gmail, so your team can assign conversations, track resolution, and stop messy forwarding chains inside an interface they already know. It covers email, chat, Slack, and voice in one workspace. AI Copilot helps with response drafting, AI agents assist with workflow execution, and AI QA gives managers a structured way to review conversation quality at scale. Integrations with Slack, Asana, Shopify, and various CRMs keep it connected to tools your team already uses. Several AI features, including AI Insights and AI Knowledge Hub, are marked as coming soon, so distinguish what is live today from what is on the roadmap. Pricing also rises quickly beyond the free tier, so factor that in as you scale. For Gmail teams that want the easiest possible entry into shared inbox collaboration, Fyxer is the strongest free starting point on this list. SaneBox is narrower in scope, but genuinely useful for the right person. It is not a team collaboration platform. It is a focused inbox filter that sits on top of your existing email account, requires no migration, and can create a cleaner inbox in under 5 minutes. It automatically moves less important email out of your main view, and then learns from your behavior, so repeated manual sorting becomes lighter over time. For founders, creators, and solo operators with high inbound volume, that shift from constant triage to a faster daily review can recover meaningful time. The honest catch here is that the confirmed research data for SaneBox is limited, so pricing, supported mail services, and deeper feature details should be verified directly before you sign up. It has no team workflow collaboration and is not a replacement for a shared inbox or support suite. So far, SaneBox is a specialist pick for individuals who need inbox cleanup without switching platforms or paying for team features they will never use. Front is the most operationally ambitious platform on this list. It brings teams, conversations, and AI into one coordinated system for customer operations. Over 160 integrations mean your email workflows can connect to and trigger actions in other tools, rather than living in isolation. No-code workflows let teams automate routing and handoffs without engineering support, reducing manual triage for support, success, and operations teams significantly. Front AI, Autopilot, and Copilot help with drafting, triage, and automated assistance. Smart QA and Smart CSAT give managers visibility into performance and customer experience trends. Front AI is reported to resolve up to 70% of requests, though that is a vendor figure and real-world results will vary by configuration. Front can require more setup and admin discipline than simpler tools, and maybe more than a small team needs. AI and advanced workflow access varies by plan, and current pricing is not confirmed in our research, so check the vendor page directly. Front is the pick for operations and support teams that need serious workflow automation, deep integrations, and AI-assisted quality tracking at scale. Help Scout closes the list as the balanced choice for support teams that want real structure without heavy enterprise complexity. The free plan covers up to 5 users with 1 inbox, a genuine starting point for small teams. Tiers scale with increasing user counts, inboxes, and contacts as you grow. Round-robin and load-balanced routing spread workload evenly without manual intervention. AI Assist and AI Drafts are unlimited across paid plans, so your team spends less time writing repetitive replies and more time on work that needs human attention. AI Answers, the autonomous resolution layer, comes with a 3-month free trial so you can measure impact before it becomes a line item, then is billed per resolution, keeping costs tied to actual usage. The Pro plan includes SSO, SAML, and HIPAA compliance, but the usage-based AI Answers billing can be less predictable as volume grows. Lower tiers have inbox and contact limits that may push teams toward upgrades sooner than expected, and it is less expansive for Front for deep custom workflows. Verdict: Help Scout is the pick for teams that want structured shared inbox with clear collaboration features and AI that reduces writing load without overcomplicating the setup. So far, here's how we would map these 5 tools. fyxer is strongest for larger teams inside Gmail or Outlook that want AI drafting, meeting notes, and enterprise compliance. Heaver is the call for Gmail teams who want a free entry point into shared inbox collaboration. Sanebox is the specialist choice for individuals who need inbox cleanup without switching platforms or paying for team features they will never use. Front is built for advanced operations and support teams that need serious workflow automation, a wide integration ecosystem, and AI-assisted quality tracking at scale. Help Scout is the balanced option for support teams that want structure, even routing, and AI assistance without heavy configuration overhead. Which of these matches your current setup? Drop a comment and let us know what inbox challenge you're trying to solve. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.